I started writing Fragile Democracies when I thought that the United States was threatened. And at the same time, there was this tremendous hope around the world that there were more democratic regimes than any time in human history, more people living in countries that held reasonably free and fair elections than at any time in history. And through the process of working on these materials, you start to see a decline in the number of countries that were truly free and the number of countries that held elections that seemed fair. And at the same time, you start to see actual change in government as a result of election. So I think that what emerges from this book is a deeply contested area of political life that goes on in country after country after country right now, where there are tremendous pressures toward the consolidation of power, particularly in this dominant party that sometimes will suffocate the democratic experience. But at the same time, there is so much legitimacy attached to electoral processes that you see, for example, in Africa today, more heads of state being voted out of office than has ever occurred before. That's a huge change. That means that these elections actually mean something. You see that the attempt to consolidate power in Turkey was frustrated electorally. You see the same thing happen in Sri Lanka. You see in Latin America that there really is resistance to the permanence of any head of state staying too long. So it's a mixed message, and it's not the smooth process that was naively projected after 1989 and the fall of the Soviet Union. On the other hand, it's not as if the institutions, and primarily the constitutional courts, have not maintained an important democratic arena in the world.